Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a very easy and fast DIY for all of you. I want to share with you this lovely DIY gift that you can give to loved ones for the upcoming Valentine's Day using, yep, that's right, these Ferrero Rocher boxes that I simply got a lot of from Christmas time. Of course, you're going to want to take off all of the stickers. It really helped me out using some alcohol if it doesn't come off that easy. I got some store-bought donuts and also these chocolate melts that you can get from the bulk aisle, and then a bunch of different decorations from Michael's. These chocolate melts were pretty easy to melt down in the microwave for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once it's all liquid just like this, you can go ahead and add whatever color you want. So this is not only great for Valentine's Day, but it's also great for a lot of other events that you can use this for. The gel or the liquid form works just as well, but I would actually prefer the gel over the liquid one. Anyways, I chose a nice lavender color and also a nice light pink because it's Valentine's Day and I just love those two combinations together. Now all you're gonna need is lay out your donuts, and you can decorate this however way you want. There's so many different ways. For example, I used a Ziploc to just drizzle a little bit of the icing on top of these nice white powdered donuts. Then you can go ahead and add some more texture and add whatever toppings that you want on there. But of course, because that's already white, I liked the color that it had. But for these other ones, I wanted the purple and also the pink to stand out. And the more texture you have on these donuts, the better. So you can even make different flavors. Just go to the dollar store, get a bunch of different chocolates or candies, crush those up, and then put them on top. You can totally make whatever design and color that you want. It's amazing what you can do with these donuts and the makeover that you can simply give a nice plain store-bought donut and turn them into something that looks quite expensive and also something that you have just bought from a specialty store. We're going to turn up the romance factor, of course, and put some nice flowers in there for Valentine's Day. Just make sure that you do wash them and clean them. The last step to this box is decorating it or just kind of packaging however you want. And I just went to the dollar store and I got all of these chalk markers or chalk little stickers. Also, this ribbon I got from the Dollar Tree, and this is something that I used in my previous DIY Valentine video that I showed all of you. It makes such a cute little ribbon to just put on top. And then I also got this sparkly paper from Michael's, and I'm just gonna tape that underneath, put another ribbon on top, and then just add this other little chalkboard sign thing that you can just get from the dollar store again. My fave design of all has to do with this chalk marker that I used. I just printed off a name, which is my daughter's name, Anatalia, and I just taped that on the back of the top of the acrylic box that we have here, and I just pretty much traced it, and it's so simple, so clean, and actually super modern. I love the way this one turned out. And that's all there is to this really easy DIY. Just wanted to give you guys a quick inspiration on some gift ideas for Valentine's Day. And I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I'll definitely see you all in the next video. Bye!